Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There is no minimum or maximum cost for learning to drive, as most instructors set their own prices. However, the average cost of a driving lesson in the UK is £24. We contacted the British School of Motoring, BSM, and Red Driving School, two of the largest providers in the UK, for their average prices.
Take our lead.
The average learner needs 20 hours of practice to pass the driving test, in addition to 45 hours of driving lessons. Once you've started learning, ask your instructor for advice about when you are ready to start practicing between lessons.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A theory test costs £23 for cars, and the driving test costs £62. The full costs for lorries, buses, motorcycles and other vehicles are shown in the tables. These are the prices to book your theory test and book your driving test through Gov.uk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.